Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to insert or embed Excel in Confluence. First, go to the page where you want to embed your Excel. Once in on the upper ribbon, click on this plus icon to insert an element. Then from the search bar, search for Elements Spreadsheets. If you don't have it installed yet, you need to click on this Learn More button under it. Then to add it to your Confluence, you can try it for free. So click on this button. Now just select your site, then click on Review at the bottom. Then go ahead and start your free trial. Then just wait for it to be added. Now that it is added, you can go back to your Confluence page. Then just refresh your site. Now you can try to type in a slash and search for Elements Spreadsheet, and as you can see it is now showing, so just go ahead and select on that. Then for here you need to import your workbook, so just upload your file, then select one and open it. Now click on this import button, and now it will bring you to this editor where you can edit your workbook. It's easy to navigate as it is like Excel. Once done on editing, first you need to add in a spreadsheet title, so just name it. Once done, click on this check button at the top right corner. Now that it is saved, you can now close it. And there you have it. Your workbook or Excel will show to your Confluence page. Also in here, you can go and view it in full screen. Then you can also go ahead and edit it or export it. Now once done, you can go ahead and publish your page. And that's just basically it. That's how you insert or embed Excel into Confluence. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.